this one. Yep, so the batteries are connected in parallel and the bulbs are connected in series as shown. And now if I unscrew one of the bulbs, then the circuit is incomplete as expected. And if I want to measure the voltage of the remaining bulb, I'm going to set the volts to 2 because these are both 1.5 batteries, 1.5 volt batteries. And if I measure this, then I'm getting a reading of 0. As you can see, there's no voltage running through it. Okay, so in this circuit, we have the batteries in series and the bulbs in parallel. So batteries in series, that would be like the positive end of one battery connected to the negative end of another battery. For example, like in a flashlight. So in order to do that, I wired the positive end of this battery to the negative end of this one. And then I have the positive end of both batteries connected to each bulb, and then a negative end of this battery connected to this bulb. Now I'm going to complete the circuit by connecting the negative end of this battery to the negative end of this bulb, like such. Now, if I unscrew one of the bulbs, then the circuit is not broken completely, only for that light bulb, because they're not connected to each other in series like the last one. So it's still complete for this one. And if I want to measure the voltage of that remaining one, I would set this to 2, and I'm gonna test this out, and it is reading it's reading 1.5. Now I'm going to add the multimeter into the circuit in order to measure the current of one light bulb. So I'm going to connect this end over here and connect. And now the measured or the estimated current was 500 milliamps, which is greater than 200 milliamps. So I'm going to have to switch this to the 10 amp. And then, oops, I'm going to connect this one to the negative terminal, and this one back over here. And as you can see, the light bulb is on. Now before I turn it on to get the measurement, I'm going to unplug this slowly, turn this to the 10 amp, complete the circuit, and get the measured value at 0.24 amps. So now I'm going to measure the resistance of this light bulb that's not connected. And I'm getting about, it's fluctuating a lot. let's say I'll say close to 1.2.